बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे बच्चों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। बच्चों, हम जो आज पढ़ने जा रहे हैं, हमारा जो आज टॉपिक का सब टॉपिक है वो है फ्रीडम इज़ आवर बर्थ राइट। ये हम उसी चैप्टर से पढ़ रहे हैं जो हमारा चल रहा है, द मेकिंग ऑफ नेशनल मूवमेंट 1870 to 1947। इसमें हमने अब तक जो देखा वो देखा द एमरजेंस ऑफ नेशनलिज्म, ए नेशन इज़ द मेकिंग। हाँ, आज हम अब देखेंगे फ्रीडम इज़ आवर बर्थ राइट। बाय द 1890s, many Indians began to raise questions about the political style of the Congress in Bengal, Maharashtra, and Punjab. Leaders such as Bipin Chandra Pal, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and Lala Lajpat Rai were beginning to explore more radical objectives and methods. They criticized the moderates for their politics of prayers and emphasized the importance of self-reliance and constructive work. They argued that people must rely on their own strength, not on the good intentions of the government. People must fight for Swaraj. Tilak raised the slogan, "Freedom is my birthright and I shall have it." In 1905, Viceroy Curzon partitioned Bengal. At that time, Bengal was the biggest province of British state and included Bihar and parts of Orissa. The British argued for dividing Bengal for reasons of administrative convenience. But what did administrative convenience mean? Whose convenience did it represent? Clearly, it was closely tied to the interests of British officials and businessmen. Even so, instead of removing the non Bengali areas from the province, the government separated East Bengal and merged it with Assam. Perhaps the main British motives were to curtail the influence of Bengali politicians and to split the Bengali people. The partition of Bengal infuriated people all over India. All sections of the Congress, the moderates, and the radicals, as they may be called, opposed it. Large public meetings and demonstrations were organized, and novel methods of mass protest developed. The struggle that unfolded came to be known as the Swadeshi movement, strongest in Bengal, but with echoes elsewhere too. In Deltaic Andhra, for instance, it was known as the Vande Mataram movement. The Swadeshi movement sought to oppose British rule and encourage the ideas of self-help. Swadeshi enterprise, national education, and use of Indian languages to fight the Swaraj. The radicals advocated mass mobilization and boycott of British institutions and goods. Some individuals also began to suggest that revolutionary violence would be necessary to overthrow British rule. Meanwhile, the Congress split in 1907. The moderates were opposed to the use of boycott. They felt that it involved the use of force. After the split, the Congress came to be dominated by the moderates, with Tilak's followers functioning from outside. The two groups reunited in December 1950. Next year, the Congress and the Muslim League signed the historic Lucknow Pact and decided to work together for representative government in the country. बच्चों, ये था फ्रीडम इज़ आवर बर्थ राइट. इंशाल्लाह कल हम इसी चैप्टर से द ग्रोथ ऑफ मॉस नेशनलिज्म उस पर रोशनी डालेंगे. तब तक के लिए खुदा हाफिज़.